Hello! This video is intended for students, faculty, and staff at Mizzou and will go over the new resource, Keenious. The two agenda items for this tutorial will be briefly describing what Keenious is and how Mizzou patrons can access it. Keenious is an AI tool that aims to make researching documents related to your desired topic easier. Keenious uses natural language searching, or the searching methods utilized by popular search engines like Google or Firefox, to pull documents with DOIs that are relevant to a given topic you are currently researching. To access Keenious, visit their main website at keenious.com/explore. You can make a free account using your MU email by clicking on the Sign In button in the lower left-hand corner. To create an account, click on the hyperlink to sign up next to Don't Have an Account. Use your MU email to sign up. By making an account, you will be able to save your research. You can start using Keenious on their website by following the instructions in the highlighted search box in the middle of the screen. However, you can also embed Keenious into Microsoft Word and/or Google Docs. To do this, click on the Get the Add-in button located on the left of the Keenious homepage. From there, you will have to choose which add-on to install. You will have to install each one on its own, but it should take no longer than a couple of minutes for each installation. After installing, Keenious will appear in Microsoft Word on the far right within the Home tab. Within Google Docs, select Extensions and then Open Keenious. If you have any issues accessing or further questions about Keenious, you can reach out to either Mizzou librarians by visiting libraries.missouri.edu and clicking on the chat function in the bottom right of the screen. Or you can view the main Keenious help page at help.keenious.com/en/.